Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The treasure track has just come out, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the new treasure track season has come out, and it's called Leisure Lagoon, so let's go ahead and look at it. So here's the thing, and it says Leisure Lagoon. Complete quests to get treasures. It ends in 31 days, so you have 1 month to complete it. And you can see some of the rewards are Vega Bloom, Lagoon Shade, and the Steam Engine. So let's go ahead and look at some of the treasures. So the first thing that you might notice is that there is now an Ultimate membership one. So some of this stuff is Ultimate member, some of it's not Ultimate member, it's just normal member. There are 40 tiers in this. If we go all the way to the end, we will see what it is. Oh wait, no, there are only 30, I'm stupid. But you can see the final one is Lagoon Shade. There is no Lagoon Spectral at the end, like I would have expected. There's also the clamshell mount, which I think looks a little odd. I would probably choose the other mount over this one. And then we have the Froggy Buddy. We also have a lot of Magicoin, which is good for people that are non-members. We have the Lagoon Works over here, which I will show you what they look like in a little bit. We got the Tasmanian Tiger finally being added back, and now it's in HD. We have the Surfboard mount, which looks pretty cool. This is probably the mount that I'm going to wear most often, unless they add one that's cooler. Some more Magicoin, a jellyfish lamp. I'm surprised they didn't update it to HD, because that's normally what they do. We also got some pet gear. This one you can't get, or you can't get unless you're an Ultimate member, but it's called the Fishbowl. We have the Sea Snail Shell. There's some house items here. The Flowering Palm Tree, the Flowering Vine, and the Palm Tree. So then there's some Titan stuff. This was an Ultimate member reward. Deep Sea Porthole. We got some Lagoon Works. Ship Wheel. So there's a lot of cool stuff. There's also the Ladybug, which I don't really see why they added that. That doesn't really go with the theme of the rest of the thing. But I'm not complaining. We also have Vega Bloom, obviously. And then for Ultimate members, you can get the Seaweed Crown, which is a legendary hat for your pets. We also have the Pile of Sand, some more Magicoin. You can get Deep Sea Funk Eel, which you were only able to get from Ultimate membership like a year ago. And then we have the Slime Head Hair Clip. The Natural Couch, which was part of Harmony Island. Some more Lagoon Works. I believe this has already been in a treasure track, but the Fathom Bean Bag. We got the Kelp Bow. Small Palm Tree. And some Magicoin, the Steam Engine, which is only for Ultimate members. That's probably not going to sit well with some members, because I assume that they were probably expecting this to be their member box reward. I certainly was expecting it to be the member box reward, so for people that have membership and are actually paying for it, they're probably not too happy that they don't even get a buddy. And now if we go to the quests, we can see that they sort of shortened the amount of questions you get. So let's just go to daily for a second. So you only have to answer 2 questions, but you only get 250 treasure track points. Cast 8 spells, earn 500 pet stars, play 5 minutes after 4 p.m. on weekends, or on weekends, and then play 10 minutes. I've already played 5. They've lowered the 800 down to 650. I think it's about the same amount. Actually, they added this one. They made the other ones easier. For season, they're down to 1,400, besides for this one, which is 2,000. Evolve pets 4 times. They probably added some new ones, like... No, they didn't. Then bonuses... That's coming out in 13 days, which they'll give 3,600, and become a member 15,000. So this is a little annoying for me because my membership's gonna run out before I think I can complete the treasure track, and I kind of want to get the cloud just because it's pretty good. And I don't really want to buy a membership because I've never had to buy one. But let's just see what happens, and hopefully I can complete it before the end of my membership, which is on like July 15th or something. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I am surprised the treasure track came out this early in the day. It's 11:01, and I'm pretty sure it came out at like 10:45. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I just woke up a few minutes ago, and yeah, bye.